Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is my Discovery 1 1992 200 TDI. So I'm going to be prepping this up for ANARC 75th Diamond Jubilee up in Greek Peak, New York for the Land Rover 75th anniversary. Did I say that? I don't even know. So anyways, this is going to be a bunch of short videos. I think I'm going to do just like a couple of parts here, whatever, just to prep for the show. So here it is, and the first thing I'm doing is I'm putting a center console in there, so I have someplace to charge things and things like that. So let me flip you around and I'll go show you. Okay, so here we are in the cabin, left-hand drive, an early Discovery 1. So originally this would have had a nice fancy canvas bag here, but my Discovery didn't come with it when I bought it, so I needed someplace to put some communication and charging things. So what I did is I built a box back here, just a simple box. I used the two mounting bolts. They're M5-8 bolts that I used to use the original mounting holes for the center console. So what do we got going on? So I used 1/2 inch, just plain wood that I had, nailed it together, nothing fancy. But now I have a spot to put things, because if you know, on these ones, there's like no glove box or nothing to throw things anywhere. So what I did, what we got a USB charger for 2 USB ports, and it has a voltmeter in it. And then a cigarette lighter socket is right here. Then they're going to be using GMRS or FRS for communication. So I already have this radio that I take when we're on road trips in our Volkswagen bus. So I took it out, and then I do have to run the antenna somewhere, but we'll stick that somewhere. So the radio's in there, it's mounted. So then I can hear communication with them. So then there's the box. So what we got to power everything inside here is I connected a wire to a piece of wire coming over. I tucked it down underneath the center console. I came up, and on eBay you can buy these just cigarette socket things that plug into your cigarette lighter. So now it's sitting here. Let's see, I could take this out. Here's the cool thing. Watch this. Boom. I could put my cigarette lighter thing right there while in the empty hole, since I don't have something for the third spot. So come over, plug this in right here. It has a little light on there. It tells you that it's getting power. So we're good. So again, like, I tucked it down underneath, and I come back here. It is 12.5 volts. So then I know we're getting power to this. And then this has a cigarette lighter plug on it, so I'm just going to plug that right into here. So this is the first prep for the ANARC Diamond Jubilee. So I think that'll work for the weekend here. Here, let me pop the seat up. Let me see a little better. There you go. Just a simple box. I made it come over, up a little bit, and over, out. So it's same with this, so you got as much space as possible. So okay, so this is the first update. I'll put the info down below for the Diamond Jubilee. I'll be there with a bunch of other Land Rovers in Greek Peak, New York. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Woo! Stay awesome, everybody.